AI-driven process control is a subject on employing artificial intelligence and related techniques to control different manufacturing processes, which currently heavily relies on modern technology, including IoT systems, including sensing systems, including data processing systems, which need to be both managed and controlled. So in today's modern manufacturing world, artificial intelligence makes a significant advantage over other approaches, other systems which do not. So basically we're talking how to make manufacturing process more efficient, more effective, and providing advantage for companies. In our case, the subject is not about AI as such or per se, it's about how to employ it properly for getting the most out of the technology in today's modern world. The course should be taken for those people who are in charge of introducing technology in their production processes, mainly to understand the implications of application of the AI in their manufacturing processes. It's not about building AI, it's about applying AI. Unfortunately today, that knowledge is a gap for modern employees, middle-level managers, and other people responsible for applying and using AI systems. If you are among those who are about to introduce AI in their companies, so you definitely should sign up for that particular course and the program as such.